The Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, Abubakar Malami's son, on Wednesday filed an application before an Oyo State High Court praying to vacate the order, stopping the arrest and freezing of the account of Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho. According to the news agency of Nigeria, the court had on August 4th granted an expert application by Igboho restraining the Department of State Services (DSS) and the Attorney General of the Federation from arresting, intimidating, and freezing Igboho's account. Igboho's counsel, Mr. Yomi Aliyu San, had informed the court that his client's life was being threatened after the invasion of his house by the DSS on July 1st, where property was damaged and an occupant killed. At the resumed hearing of the suit, the Attorney General of the Federation's counsel, Mr. Abdullah Abubakar, informed the court he filed a preliminary objection on the matter. Abubakar said that he could not move the application now because he filed the preliminary objection and other processes in the matter out of time and urged the court to grant him an extension of time. He said that the delay in filing his processes was not deliberate but due to the fact that he was not briefed on the matter at the appropriate time. The counsel to DSS, Mr. T.A. Nuruddin, informed the court that he had responded to the processes served on him by the applicant's counsel. In his response, the applicant's counsel Aliyu said the processes filed by the AGF were incompetent, adding that the respondent had exceeded the 5 days stipulated by the law to respond after receiving of the originating summon. He urged the court not to grant the application, adding that new time was of essence in a fundamental human rights suit. Justice Ladiran Akintola granted the application for extension of time and awarded 50,000 naira against the respondent. Akintola said that the order restrained the respondent from arresting, intimidating, and freezing Igboho's account still subsists until it is vacated by the court. He adjourned the case until August 30th for the hearing of the application. Sunday Igboho's residence was attacked on July 1st. It wasn't a good one. It didn't go well because during that incident, during that raid, two persons sadly lost their lives. Two persons, not just some animals, human beings. So it was really a sad one. And what crime did they commit? What sin? What was their offense? What did they do? Nothing. Well, after Sunday Igboho's residence was vandalized in the name of searching for weapons that they claimed to have gotten reports that he was stockpiling weapons. We know nothing of such was happened or there was any weapon in his house. Everything was just a make-up story. President Muhammad Buhari will go any length to make up any sort of story, add up anything, and just to indict Sunday Igboho. So after the vandalization of his premises, Sunday Igboho went to court that this is not happening. It's not going to happen. So he went to court and his counsel, Yomi Aliyu, was what the Sunday Igboho's lawyer prayed the judge was that they should restrain the Attorney General of the Federation because all of this was Abubakar. It was his handwork. You know, he's the same person who President Muhammad Buhari is using to intimidate and harass Nnamdi Kanu. You can see the similarities. They are both freedom fighters agitating for freedom, breaking out of this sort of oppressive government under President Muhammad Buhari, one-sided government, lopsided appointment, nepotism in everything he does. You know, the Sunday Igboho came to the point and stated that enough is enough. This wickedness is too much. What crime did we commit? What did we even do? We cannot become second-class citizens in our own country. If we're going to be second-class citizens, then we're out. We want to go to where we'll be regarded as first class. No one is a Nigerian citizen. So why will one be treated differently? You know, that was how this agitation started. President Muhammad Buhari, you know, he prefers dealing with bandits and terrorists than negotiating and speaking with agitators, people who are just clamoring. They are seeking freedom from all of this oppression and everything currently going on. So the suit that Igbo's lawyer put before the court was to restrain the Attorney General of the Federation from intimidating, from harassing. That is what they know how to do. Imagine the raid, the way they just arrived Sunday Igboho's premises without any search warrant. Is that not intimidation? Is that not harassment? Because if they had met Sunday Igboho in that place, only God knows what they would have done. We know very well that he would have been arrested because they didn't meet him. What did they do next? They cooked up stories and declared him wanted. What are they declaring him wanted for? What offense did he commit? What crime? When he was on his way to Germany, that was her former chief of army staff, Burutai, wrote to Beninese government that you have a terrorist in your country. So shameful. The terrorists in our own country, they've not dealt with them. The terrorists, we know, the Boko Haram, the bandits, the killer Fulani headsmen, they've not dealt with them. It's just this one man who is fighting for the freedom of his people. And if we look at this closely, Sunday Igboho is not just fighting for himself, because if he was himself alone, he would have backed out, because there were times where his family cried out that this thing is becoming too dangerous. The way President Muhammad Buhari is going after you is coming too dangerous. Can you back out, please? But we saw Sunday Igboho's response that unfortunately he has started it and he's going to end it. He must definitely see the end. Well, this suit we're talking about right now, Sunday Igboho took the Attorney General of the Federation to court. Right now, Abubakar Malami, what he's filing right now is filing that the court should throw away that suit, should not respect their suit. The suit restrain him from coming anywhere close to Sunday Igboho. He's trying to vacate the court order. He wants to turn it around. He's a lawyer as well. Abubakar Malami is a lawyer as well, senior advocate of Nigeria. But it's very unfortunate that the sort of law that he knows, he uses it. Is only he turns it, he twists it in favor of whoever they want to favor. This Abba Kyari's trial or the indictment that is currently on. Is it not the same Abubakar Malami that is stating that there is process? Kyari cannot just be extradited. When it comes to their northern and when it comes to who they want to protect, they know how to speak about law and about human rights. But if it's anyone else, then they cook up stories, they make life miserable for the person, and they carry on oppression and keep oppressing the person. So, Abubakar Malami, with this suit he's just filed before the court, we can see that they're not ready to give up. He's not ready. He's still bent on harassing Igboho. They put a suit out there. Don't go close to him. Don't arrest him. Don't freeze his account. Don't do anything. But he wants to stop that order. He's trying to push that order away. Anyway, the case has been adjourned until August 30th, and we'll see how all of this goes. My people, let's hear your take down below in the comment section. Thank you once again for staying tuned, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click on the like button. If it's your first time, you're very welcome. Hit on the subscribe button. God bless you. Till I come your way again with more updates. Bye.